This is the automatic shut-off that I have built for my horizontal bandsaw. There's the saw. As you can see, the motor is simply a temporary mount, but it plugs into this switched outlet, and this finger here slides up and down on those two bolts rather loosely, and the bottom engages the on-off switch. It's light enough that I can lift it up, turn on the switch, and let it rest on the switch without it shutting itself off. And when the carriage comes all the way down, it pushes down on the finger, shuts off the switch. I'm going to turn this on and then release the feed cylinder so that you can see how it works. Et voilà.